Okay, dear friends, get ready to take dictation of elaboration, that is May 1975 exam paper of Tamil Nadu government. Here 5 minutes dictation are there and 5 letters are there. For each letter I will give few seconds, 1 or 2 seconds. Please you get ready. Number 1, Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, Coimbatore, proposed to hold their 15th annual general meeting at 5 p.m. on 18th November 1974 in their registered office at 9 Avanashi Road, Coimbatore. Business to be transacted includes consideration and adoption of director's report and profit and loss account for 1973-74 and balance sheet declaration of dividend and election of new directors in place of retiring directors. Draft a notice to shareholders to be published in newspapers by Managing Director K. Sundaram. Number 2. A seminar on education and future of India was held at Vivekananda College, Madras, under the auspices of the Young Writers Forum. Prominent persons participated in the seminar. Chedi Lal stressed the need to provide work experience in schools and make education ensure mobility of employment and self employment. He also stated that the fundamental principle of basic education enunciated by Mahatma Gandhi was highly relevant in refashioning the system of education in the country. The present education system did not keep pace with the social and economic changes that were taking place. Adiseshaya said that education at higher level should produce innovative scientists, engineers, managers, and science specialists. He felt that character building was more important than imparting skills and that education must be a lifelong process not confined to the school or college or a particular period of one's life. Ananthakrishnan, calling for a radical change in the educational system, said that creative thinking and ability to adapt oneself to changing conditions should be developed in the student. Balakrishna Joshi pointed out that education should anticipate the progressive needs of society and equip the child to meet the challenges of a fast moving world and the changing complexions of life. Venkatachari condemned the present examination system as of no use now. He suggested the establishment of schools which would provide an education that was better than what the normal schools offered. The chairman, in conclusion, said that education reforms should be left to a competent body of educationists and it should not be dealt with in an administrative and political way. Imagine you are a press correspondent and prepare a news item for publication in the newspaper. Number 3. Ramachandran, 14, North Mada Street, Kumbakonam, placed orders with Gopal and Sons Furniture Makers, Coimbatore 25, for 100 chairs and tables. While taking delivery of the articles, it was noticed that most of them were made of inferior wood. In the case of some articles, there were also cracks and holes. Draft a letter to the furniture makers complaining about these defects and telling that defective articles were being returned to them and they should send replacement for the rejected ones. Number 4. Draft an advertisement for the post of Assistant Security Officer, Integral Coach Factory, Perambur, Madras. Applicant must be graduate, knowledge and experience of modern methods and practices relating to industrial security, safety, fire protection and prevention techniques, criminal law and ability to control and direct security staff required. Age between 30 and 40 years. Emolument rupees 1000 per month. Also draft an application in response to the above advertisement giving details of qualifications, experience, etc. to the administrative officer. Say you are prepared to appear for interview at factory's cost. Number 5. A batch of 100 state government servants in Madras proposed to tour places of historical and religious importance in North India. As the secretary of Non-Guested Officers Association, write to the concerned officials in the Southern Railway explaining the tour program and inquiring if he would be kind enough to allot one second class bogie for the trip. Dear friends, you don't bother about the passage which you skipped there. I mean, due to your practice, there might be omissions, but you don't bother about that. Just you concentrate on the content and just to write here, which I dictated in 5 letters. The second letter, it is about how many minutes, means it is about more than 2 minutes dictation here for second letter. This is a seminar on education. That's why the passage should be like that in some times, but we don't want to see whether the passage is very big or a few or more words, but just you concentrate on the content, that is very important to write. Okay, like these passages also we are going to face in some situations, but the content is important. Be confident and be right your elaboration. Don't worry for that. Thank you.